Hi, I'm Kath. Welcome to Bread Made Easy membership. This is a really great way to overcome any fears you may have about bread making, or indeed if you're an accomplished baker, to find out new advanced techniques and new ways to flavour and shape your dough. When you become a member, you can join us for Bread Social, which is a really lovely meetup once a month. I demo a new technique or recipe, and then we open the floor to questions. You get to meet your fellow members, who are all a really lovely, friendly group. There is also a community on the members dashboard, which is a little bit like a Facebook group, but it's private. And on there you can ask me questions. You can share photos of your latest bakes. You can ask for advice from other members. I'm on there too, so if you have a question that you want answered, that's the best place to post it, and I answer fairly quickly. So it's a really lovely way to make friends with like-minded fellow bakers. You also get access to my pre-recorded online courses, and because they're pre-recorded you can dip in and out as much as you like and watch them from the comfort of your own home. They're all subtitled, so you can turn the sound down so you don't have to annoy any members of your household by listening to them too, which is an added bonus. These pre-recorded online courses take you step by step through the process of bread making. First of all, starting with bread basics, which takes you through the stages of making a simple white loaf, and introduces you to the techniques that I use as a template for the rest of the online courses. You can then dive into understanding the science of bread so that you know exactly what is happening in that bowl of dough or what's happening when it's baking in the oven. It will really help you to troubleshoot your doughs before problems start. I also have practical courses, for example, how to use a banneton or how to use a Dutch oven. And then there's courses showing you a beautiful range of breads. So there's sweet doughs, there's savoury breads, there's Christmas breads, Easter breads, flat breads, crackers, how to use your sourdough discard, how to use up the leftover bread that you may have lying on your breadboard. So there's over 50 recipes already up there ready for you to dive in. As a member, you get access to any new recipes, any new updates that might occur. I've designed this to really help you overcome your fear of bread making, should you have one, and also help you to learn new and advanced techniques and get you out of that rut of making the same loaf over and over again. So I look forward to welcome you as a member of Bread Made Easy.